Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I am glad you are joining me today. This show is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let us get right into the action. The talk of the town on social media is Bloom Energy. The stock is seeing a massive move, up nearly 10% in pre-market trading, following a blowout second quarter report. They crossed the $1 billion revenue mark for the first time, with growth skyrocketing over 160%. Investors are cheering the news that Bloom is becoming a standard for on-site AI data center power. In contrast, SOFI Technologies is under pressure, trading down about 5% despite reporting record revenue and member growth. It looks like a classic case of sell the news, as investors remain skeptical about whether the company can maintain its margin expansion through the rest of the year. Meanwhile, Micron is holding relatively steady, hovering near flat in the pre-market. It has been a rough ride for the memory sector lately, with shares sliding over the past few days amid fears of increased competition from Chinese memory makers and broad anxiety over AI infrastructure spending. Moving to the broader market, futures are mixed today. Investors are stuck in a cautious holding pattern as they weigh geopolitical tensions in the Middle East against the upcoming Federal Reserve interest rate decision. Oil prices are surging nearly 5%, which is keeping the market on edge. We are looking at a potential hold from the Fed, but the market is still pricing in a non-trivial chance of a surprise hike, especially with Chair Kevin Warsh, known for his hawkish stance on inflation. In the AI world, the theme is all about the massive infrastructure build-out. We are seeing reports that global data center capacity could double by 2030, requiring trillions in spending. This is filtering down through the entire supply chain, from power management to advanced cooling and semiconductors. Companies are scrambling to secure power and hardware, but there is a growing debate about whether the massive capital expenditures from big tech will pay off in the near term. Looking at stocks in focus, Visa is making headlines with news of a significant restructuring, including a 7% workforce reduction as it shifts more resources into artificial intelligence. The stock is down about 2% this morning. It is a massive day for earnings. We have Microsoft and Meta reporting after the bell. All eyes will be on their capital expenditure guidance to see if the AI spending spree is slowing down or accelerating. Lam Research, ARM Holdings, and Qualcomm are also set to report after the close, which will give us a much clearer picture of the health of the semiconductor cycle. Before the open, keep an eye on Procter & Gamble and Starbucks as investors look for clues on consumer spending resilience. To wrap up, we have got a busy day ahead with the Fed decision and major tech earnings taking center stage. The market is clearly on edge, so expect some volatility. Thanks for tuning into Finpod. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below with any stocks or topics you want me to cover next. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai.